Kung nagpaplano ka mag-Enchanted Kingdom anytime soon, wait, because in this vlog, I'll show you everything you need to know from tickets, promos, schedules, hanggang sa mga bawal para iwas hassle at sulit na sulit ang day nyo. And yes, may discount hack din ako for you. Ay mga ka-travels, before anything else, pinaka-important ang tickets. Pwede kayong mag-book through Klook and use my promo code KlookCheFamily para may discount kayo. Ito mga prices nila for regular day pass or adults, 1,400 pesos. Sa junior day pass naman, kung ang height ay 36 to 47 inches or 91 to 121 cm, 950 pesos. Sa senior and PW pass naman is 950 pesos. Children below 36 inches or 90 cm pababa, pwedeng pumasok sa park for free. Meron din silang EK Express Pass if ayaw nyong pumila. For only 2,400 pesos, perfecto lalo na sa weekends kasi super haba ng pila. If hindi naman kayo natuloy sa selected date nyo, don't worry, valid ang ticket for 90 days. Next naman ang schedule nila, super important ito guys. Open sila during weekends, 11 AM to 8 PM. Close sila ng Monday and Tuesday. Pero may special schedules depending sa month. Like minsan, Wednesday to Sunday lang sila open or Friday to Sunday lang. And take note, may selected dates na close for private events. So always double check bago kayo pumunta para hindi sayang ang biyahe nyo. Next naman ang free day pass for the birthday celebrant. Pero ito mga dapat tandaan. Dapat pumunta ka on your actual birthday or within your birth month. Bring valid ID plus photocopy ng birth certificate. And kailangan may at least 2 paying companions, maximum of 10 persons. Available lang siya for walk-ins. Okay, next, super important talaga nito kasi baka ma-hold kayo sa entrance. Ito mga hindi allowed inside the park. Outside food and drinks, alcohol, cigarette, vapes, lighters, sharp object or anything dangerous, pets, except sa service animals, bikes, scooters, or anything na may wheels, speakers, musical instruments, drone, and other gadgets like hair iron. And yes, may bag inspection sila. So better na light lang ang dala nyo para smooth ang entry. What to expect inside the park? Grabe, sobrang daming rides. Chill rides for family, extreme rides for thrill seekers, and IG-worthy spots everywhere. Perfect siya for dates, family bonding, and barkada trips. Ito ang pro tip ko, go early para ma-maximize nyo ang time. Start with the big rides agad or get EK Express Pass kung ayaw nyo maghintay. So ayun mga ka-travels, now you know everything before going to Enchanted Kingdom. If you're planning to visit, don't forget to book through Klook and use promo code KlookCheFamily para maka-discount kayo. And kung nakatulong sa inyo tong video na to, don't forget to like, follow, and share. Enjoy and thank you for watching. Please follow us for more gala tips. Bye!